Wishtrenders! I'm Yunha. As you know, I'm the new MC of Wishtrend TV. So today, I'm going to have a haul for Amazon because in Korea, it's too cold. Fall came, but it is like winter, so my skin get dry so much. And I think you guys too, right? So today, as you can see, these products are so famous in Amazon, so I think you guys all know this. But today, I'm gonna do really frankly haul for these products. So get ready for it, okay? First, it is toner time. These are the toners that I chose. So first one, this is Thayer's facial toner, and it says it is made of witch hazel and rose petal. Okay, it smells good. It smells like rose, so it's good. It feels not that dry for me. For dry skin, I think it can be a little bit dry, but it is good, yeah. Second one is I'm from Rice Toner. And as you know, Korea is famous for rice. These days, rice water is really famous and it is good for brighter skin. I can feel that it smells really natural, but I prefer natural smells more. Also, I think it fits more for me because it doesn't dry that much like this one, and it is good for moisturizing, I think. In Korea, when I was young, my mom made the rice water a lot when I was young because I have atopy, the allergic problem, and she made it a lot, and she made the bottles of it, and I heard that it's really good for skin tone, so I think it helps too. Okay. Second, it is the product for cleanser. As you know, all the skin problems come from cleansing, you know? So, I'm from Mugwort Gel Cleanser. When I was young in the kindergarten, I went to Mugwort farm and I made a lot of rice cakes of Mugwort, and kindergarten students go a lot because mugwort is really good for relieving, and also it is good for every health problems. So I think it is fabulous. I'll go for it. I think who likes gel cleanser will favor this one because it is also cleansing for sunscreen and pores. So, oh, can you see? Oh, it's gel. So, I can feel it. Oh, and it smells so good. Oh, I like this. Oh my god. Oh, and also I heard that it is good for relieving. So the skin who have problems a lot like me can use this one. I think so. And second one, I heard that it is famous too, and I think it is really interesting because I heard that it is spray. So it is the first time I use spray cleanser. It's like a water cleanser. Oh, okay. I think smell, for the smell part, I like this one, but okay. I heard that it is good for antibacterial, so you can just bring it for the trip. Next section is for serums, and I chose these three products. As you can see, I think you guys will know. And for the first thing, I will choose this one, and it says it is pure vitamin C, and I heard that it has 5%. Oh. Okay. Okay. I think it is a little bit oily, so for dry skins, it is better to use this one. And it says you can drop 2 to 3 drops morning and evening. And it is good for brighter skin and also someone who have problems, you can't see which level you are using of. So I think it is better. Oh, and don't forget, after using vitamin C drops in the morning, you need to put on sunscreen, okay? And then, I don't know what it is, but it says, oh, snail serum. Oh my god. Can you guys see this? Do you guys know PX? What PX is? In Korea, men go to army, you know? And there is PX. It is like a supermarket in the army, I heard. Because I don't know actually. But in PX, there is a famous nail cream. And every woman, like me, or like girls, say to men that, I want snail cream, please. Snail cream, okay? And man goes like, okay. I will buy it, okay? Hey, okay. So like this. So I have that experience. But except for PX, I think it is good. Because it goes like this way. Okay. So I think it is better for dry skin. Okay? Like this. Hyaluronic acid serum. And it says it delivers deep hydration to plump the appearance of the fine lines. So I think it has deep hydration. And it says apply a few drops morning and night before oils and moisturizers. So, and it says we have to absorb it for 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Oh, okay. It's not that watery. And, oh. It feels like something like gel. It's not like water or oil, but it goes like this, like a gel. I think it doesn't smell that a lot. It doesn't smell anything, I think. So I think it is better to use it for dry skin. Next, it is the most interesting part because I usually go with cream a lot because I have dry skin, you know. So this is cream part. Cream, okay? Because I'm from rice cream and I heard that it came from rice bran. For this one, I heard it is from rice, but it is from rice bran. So it is a little bit different. Okay. Oh, it's really white. Ooh. Oh, because it feels like boing, something like this. And oh, I can feel the moisturizing right now. So I think it is better to use for someone who has skin problems and also who have dry skin because it feels the moisturizing like this one. Oh. If it is not that expensive, I want to use it for hand cream too. It feels so good. Oh, okay. Oh, it smells natural too. And oh, I think the feeling, oh my god, it's so good. It is L'Oreal collagen cream. I was curious because it says it is about collagen, and for me and my mom, I use a collagen cream for my wrinkles, eye wrinkles. So, it smells good. It smells good. And it feels good too. And it smells good too. So it says every day and night, smooth gently. Oh. It says in French also. I like this one. It is Dear Claire's Midnight Blue Calming Cream after daytime at night. So I'm really into calming cream these days. And I'll go with this. As you know, it is blue, right? Ooh, okay. Actually, I use this one, so Okay. It is blue, and I know that it is good for calming and soothing. It goes like, as I said in the interview, this one, bah, dry. But this one, moisturizing, something like this. Okay, like okay. For the next part, it is acne patch, and also I'm curious of this one. It is towel, like one-time towel. So for this one, I think it is same. It is circle, and if you have a pimple right on acne, you can put it like this, and you know, one day after it goes up, and you can just put it off and leave it for 6 to 8 hours. Okay, so I think you can use it overnight when you're sleeping. Okay, I'm really curious this one. Okay, I heard that it is towel, so go with this toner. Okay. Okay. For the trip, I think I can bring it and use it and just throw it away. Dry your face after cleansing. So I think you can use it for face, like this way. And it says you can use it with a makeup remover to gently and effortlessly remove makeup. And for me, I think it is better to use it for cleansing, I guess, not towel. But someone who use towel for face, I think you guys can use it. As you guys know, for consuming, we have to be clever consumers, you know? For you guys, I want you guys to be really clever consumers. And as you know, this is Black Friday, so every brand goes down for the price. So you can use it one by one if you want. So for the Black Friday, become a clever consumers. Okay, bye!